Hello, dear students. I am your science teacher for class 4 from PMGHS-II. Hope you all are doing well. Okay, dear students, before going to vacation, we have just completed our fourth chapter, that is matter and its characteristics. And today I am going to again recapitulate it for your revision. So let's start our first with matter. And this chapter is about matter and its states and all the details characteristics of matter. So first we will see what is matter. Anything which occupies space and possesses mass is called matter. Means all the things which we can see in our surroundings, such as computer, clock, table, chair, book, all things. These all things are occupying space. So, and it possessing mass means it is made up of a mass. So, it is called matter. Now come to the states of matter. Generally, it occurs in three states: solid, liquid, and gas. First, have a look on solid. Solid have definite shape and definite volume. Means it looks like in a definite shape. When we look to a solid thing, it has a definite shape and it possesses a definite volume. So, the arrangement of the mass, like mass is made up of tiny particles, so the arrangement of mass is like this. See, in solid, this is the solid ice cube, and in this ice cube the tiny particles are closely attached. See, they are closely packed, and the arrangement of tiny particles in solid are closely packed. So it these particles has given the solid a definite shape and definite volume. Now come to liquid. See the arrangement of particles in liquid. Like you can see, the liquid has the tiny particles in liquid has little bit far away. They are near to each other, but the force of attraction is less than the solid. As we compare the solid and liquid particles, we can see that the tiny particles are little bit far away. So the force of attraction is little bit less than solid. Okay, now come to gas. This is the third main state of matter, gas. First we have discussed with solid, then we have discussed with liquid, and then we are going to discuss the last main state, that is gas. They have neither fixed shape nor a volume, and the arrangement of particles, the tiny particles, are much far away from each other, and they have very weak force of attraction between them, and they can move freely in all the directions. That's why they all have no shape and no volume. So let's revise the definition of solid. Solid have definite shape and volume, right? Liquids have no definite shape, but it has they have no definite volume. When we pour a liquid in a glass, it can change into the shape of that glass. So liquid have definite volume, but it has no definite shape. Okay, then come to gas. They have neither a fixed shape nor a definite volume. See, like according to the definition of these solid, liquid, and gases, the arrangement of the tiny particles are this. Now look at the states of matter. Solid, like you are seeing a shape of an apple. So apple is solid and the tiny particles are fixed. They have a completely uh, very much greater force of attraction between them. The apple has a definite shape. Okay, now come to a liquid. We have pour water in a glass and it's change its shape, and we see that liquid has a definite volume, no definite volume, but has a definite shape. So come to another state, that is gas. A gas has no force of attraction between the particles, so they freely move from here and there, and we blow a balloon, and the gas is captured in this balloon. If we lose the tightening of balloon, the gas flew away. तो क्या होगा? The gas flew away and the balloon get rupture. So the gas, it shows that gas has no definite shape and no definite volume. Okay, now dear students, come to our today's homework first. You have to read these pages, that is 45, 46 and 47 from this chapter, matter and its characteristics, and thoroughly read it, mark and underline the difficult words, find the meanings of difficult words and write on that page, right? And the second learning homework is from the previous chapter, that is human health. You have to learn again the short question answers, question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3. Okay dear students, this is all for your today's lecture. With in this lesson we have learned the states of matter, we have learned the arrangement of tiny particles in states of matter. As you know, there are three main states of matter, that is solid, liquid and gas, and we have learned about the force of attraction between the particles, the tiny particles which this solid or liquid or gas is made up of. So we have learned this. Let's go to again revise the definition of solid. Solid have definite shape, mind it. It has definite shape because of the greater force of attraction between the tiny particles in it. Okay, solid have definite shape and also a definite volume. In liquid, liquid have definite volume but has no definite shape. इसको हम जिस container में भी pour करते हैं, when we pour the liquid into a glass or a jar, it takes the shape of that container. Okay, now come to gas. Because of very less force of attraction between the tiny particles, gas have neither a fixed shape nor a definite volume. Okay dear students, hopefully you have revised your chapter and learn the homework, because it is a revision homework. So learn the revision of question answers from human health, question number 1, 2 and 3 by heart, and after learning, write it in your rough copy for proper revision, and read page 45, 46 and 47 from this chapter. This chapter means chapter 4, matter and its characteristics, and read it thoroughly, mark the underline the difficult words, and find out the meanings and write the meanings on that word. Okay, okay, dear students, see you in next online class. Okay, bye till the next class. Allah Hafiz. रिकॉर्ड ही नहीं हुई, फिर रिकॉर्ड नहीं हुई।